So let's say that we're running our single area OSPF, and we had 5 routers, but now we expanded our network to 15 routers. By adding more routers, we'll have a consequence, which is the growth of the link state database, which will start to consume more and more resources, CPU and RAM. At this point, the OSPF will become power hungry, and it will require more and more resource-capable devices, which will drive the cost up. You'll have to buy more expensive routers. So, OSPF multi-area was introduced. This will create multiple areas, which will reduce the size of the link state database by using regular areas or special area types, and each area can have its own purpose and its own functionality. Also, it is important to mention that area 0 is the backbone area, or you can say that area 0 is the core area, and the routers in area 0 should have the more powerful devices configured inside it, because routers in area 0 will receive LSAs from any other areas. All areas should be directly connected to area 0, but let's say that you have this area 3 here, which is directly connected to area 2. We can create a virtual link which will connect area 0 and area 3, thus making this topology to work. So guys, most of you are viewing my videos and are not subscribed. So if you want to help me and if you like the videos that I am creating, please hit that subscribe button. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Now you know more, and if you want to learn even more, you can check my linked Udemy courses in the video description. Also, on each Udemy course, you can find a 30% off coupon, which is listed in bonus section of each course. You will find them listed in the video description. Thank you, and see you in the next video.